As I told you, subsistence farming are of many kinds. So we will study today intensive subsistence farming and their features. It is a traditional form of farming. Small plot of land is used. Simple tools. More labor. More than one crop is grown annually. Manure is used as fertilizer. Traditional irrigation methods. Rice and vegetables are the common crops. Now we will see the areas where it is practiced. It is practiced in India, China, Vietnam, Cambodia, Mexico, Peru. The second type of subsistence farming is extensive subsistence farming. Now the features are small amount of produce from a large farmland. This method does not damage the environment with the use of chemical fertilizers. Produce is less in quantity but healthy and high in quality. As I told you, the third type of subsistence farming is shifting cultivation. It is common kind of subsistence farming in forested regions. What do the farmers do? They cut down trees in the forested areas. They clear land for the cultivation. Once it becomes less fertile, the farmers leave that land, clear a new plot in the forest. Once a plot of land has been used and abandoned over a period of time, the forest regrows. Practiced in Brazil, Venezuela, Colombia, Nigeria, Senegal, and Indonesia. Food crops. Any plant that is grown with the purpose of being eaten by humans or animals is termed as food crop. It can be used by the farmers for selling purpose also. Factors influencing cultivation of food crops are climate, soil, location, trade. World's most famous food crops are corn, wheat and rice. These crops cover about 60% of all the harvested land in the world. You know, children, wheat was one of the first crops ever grown by humans. Today, there are 30 varieties of wheat, and I am telling you the two varieties of wheat, and their names are Emmer, Incorn. Now just see this table. It is given in your book. Now there are some common food crops around the world. Name of the crop. We will see the location where it is grown. We will see the temperature that this crop requires and the type of soil the crop requires. Okay, first we will take rice. Its location where it is grown are China, India, Japan, Sri Lanka. Temperature, high humidity and rainfall. Soil type, alluvial clayey soil. Wheat. Location, India, US, Canada, Argentina, Russia, Australia. Temperature moderate and rainfall also moderate. Soil type, well drained, loamy soil. Millets. Grown in India, China, Sudan, Nigeria. Low rainfall and low to moderate temperature. Moderate means medium. Soil type, less fertile and sandy soil. Maize. Location, North America, Brazil, China, Canada, India, Mexico. Moderate temperature, rainfall and lots of sunshine. And soil type, well drained, fertile soil. Now get ready for some questions, children, and I hope you will be able to answer all these questions. Question number 1. The countries where shifting cultivation is done, you have to write the names. Question number 2. What are food crops? Question number 3. How many varieties of wheat are there in the world? Question number 4. Which soil type is appropriate to grow rice? Thank you, children.